The KTM 350 cubic centimeters 4-stroke motocross platform already splits the difference between the power of a 450 and the lightweight handling of a 250. KTM's XCF line of 4-stroke cross-country motorcycles also splits the difference between the closed course competition and off-road capability, making the 2025 KTM 350 XCF an incredibly versatile dirt bike. This is why it is the race bike of choice for the FMF KTM Factory Racing team in the East. You'll often find it on the podium of GNCC, AMA National Enduro, and US Sprint Enduro championships. If you want to look factory too, great news! The 2025 KTM 350 XCF also comes in a factory edition, fully outfitted in factory FMF KTM accessories and livery. The XCF gets new bodywork/graphics, a new linkage, updated suspension settings, and a redesigned frame for 2025. The KTM 350 XCF has a 48mm WP Zact fork, although it has a coil spring instead of the SXFS Airforks pneumatic spring. While still surviving the rigors of motocross, slightly softer settings aid in absorbing pebbles, roots, and bumps. It differs from its SXF counterpart in that it has a larger gasoline tank, an 18-inch rear tire, a 6-speed gearbox, handguards, a skid plate, and a kickstand, which make traveling longer distances over more varied terrain simpler. Engine map selection, traction control, launch control, and a quick shifter are all available via a switch positioned on the handlebar. The factory edition receives the same updates for 2025 and adds to the equation FMF KTM Factory graphics, Guts gripper seat, an FMF titanium slip-on silencer, orange anodized CNC machine triple clamps, a whole shot device on the fork guard, and KTM's new connectivity unit off-road, CUO, that links with the KTM Connect app. It's a hefty price tag at $13,149, but the factory edition upgrades quickly amount to well beyond the $1,200 price hike over the standard model.